What's up, guys? Coming to you at 5 in the morning. Sitting at a gas station right now. First week of October. Probably should be in a deer stand this morning, but my good buddy Matt called me up a couple weeks back and said I signed this up for a little derby over in his hometown. It's about an hour away from me. So that's what we're doing right now. Get a little gas, headed over that way. See if we can get you guys some behind the scenes footage of not only some fish catches, but us being goofballs and everything else. So it's just gonna be a little derby. So it's his little hometown deal. So it'll be fun, be good. Stick with me. Check it out. Where we going? Dang, he must be cooking some breakfast up in there or something. Yeah. I smell some ham and biscuits. Are there more than one grass flat on this lake? I mean, as far as like what's up there by the dock? I still think. So I still think we may be able to catch a fish or two throwing a fluke or something over top of that grass. Or in the pockets of it. Figure it out. I ain't worried about that. We got plenty of time, man. We got plenty of time. It'll be fun to catch him. I want to make sure he's a hybrid. I did out on Norman with a 6XD. I did, man. I was sitting there talking to my co-angler and I said, gosh, that was a big one. He said, it's a hybrid. I said, well, I'd sure like to see him anyway. And I cast out there, and sure enough, that rod bowed up. It's about a 4 or 5 pound hybrid. Oh, it was a blast. It was fun. Just something to, it just makes me feel better throwing a crank. We might. Little 9:30 update. Matt falling asleep. Worked all night. Caught about 50 fish, all 8 inches long. We're gonna keep after them though. Needed to change anyway. That one done caught his quota. Do what? I believe that's the bait. Oh, he's lively. He's lively now. Wonder how many little spotted bass they catch doing that. I wonder how many little spotted bass they catch doing that. Yeah, a little bitty one. You ever get something in your mind and you just can't do nothing else until you get there, or put whatever it is on? Maybe. There's some good looking grass this morning up there by the dock. That old bank grass stuff, it looked like it had some water on it. Yeah, we in good shape. We found out a little bit of what the bite is. We got one in the whale, and we got plenty of time. Couldn't be like me on Douglas. I have one fish with an hour to go. I got to throw a frog over his crap. I got to. I'll catch that good one that Ricky had this morning. He said he did. He said he had one come up and blow up on a frog up in here and take it underneath the mat, but said he just never hooked up with it. Seemed like a pretty good one. time you get one blow up on a frog, they ain't babies neither. Monsters, let me tell you. Monsters. Well, I can tell you what they're eating. Oh, there's a ton of them in there. He's long and skinny. No, you walking over there with me. Well, I was about to say, ain't nobody gonna. Ricky's got him. Job, Slick Rick. Boat 11. I got 3 little old danes. I ain't got no bacons. Might as well not even weigh Yeah, man. 2 pounds, 4 ounces. Close enough. Close enough. There you go. Leading it. 680. There you go, man. It's a tough day. That's what it is. I'm telling you, it wasn't easy. I bet you I caught 50 fish, though. I bet we caught 50 fish. Like I said, had one little bitty one, 13-incher on a fluke, and then come up here, like I said, an hour to go. And then I caught them 2 with about 20 minutes to go. It wasn't much, but I threw them. Well, we came up here earlier at, I don't know, about 10 o'clock. So, well, right after we seen you up there, we come up here and threw a frog up through there, and I flipped it one time, but I was flipping a half ounce just to the holes and stuff. And then it come back through. I said, well, heck, I'm gonna put me on an ouncer and I'm gonna start punching it. Sure enough, it wasn't long after I started punching it, caught one. But there's fish in there. I flipped it since about 12 o'clock. We'd run into 5 eventually. How many did you catch today?
I caught a bunch of small ones, but I caught little bitty fish.
Get my truck out, put the boat in first, and put my truck back in front of it.
This is the first adult carp I fished.
But yeah, we fished. He put 2 in, and I put the first one in. He caught 2.
Well, he come like, I bet you can. I said, I'm gonna dig that out. We didn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we caught a bunch of 11 inches.
He catch him and be like, I don't know, that was my bump, it might bump. He bump. It's 11 on a quarter, it's 11 and a half. I said, go to the lake line.
That's it, man. That's it.
We had a good bag last week. I would have took anything to have the bag we had last week. We had like 908 or something like that last week. I would have given anything.
Oh, that's the benefit tournament we had 2 weeks ago. We had ones almost, we had big fish almost 7 pounds.
Yeah. But I mean, it was like overcast, misty, rain all day. It was perfect.
To see it start raining out there, I said, thank God. I said, that's, you gotta have that on this lake if you got a bag.
We never got any rain. It was up. It started like blowing in 9 miles an hour.
Name this video Bittersweet.
You get me asleep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now, you probably didn't explain that I work in that. That's false, it's fake news. Fake news.
Good deal. Good deal. Ricky, I shall see you Monday morning. Congratulations, young man. Don't tell John you won. He'll want you to take him out to lunch now. I appreciate you fishing. After being up all night, it's good getting to catch up with you.
I wouldn't even sleep. I wasn't just tired. I was like sick tired. I thought I'd sit down.